Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade meme coins on the Robinhood chain. Now there are various types of platforms in the market that you can basically use in order to trade the meme coins on the Robinhood chain. But among these, I like the Axiom trade platform the most because over here you are going to see all of the available trending in the DEX screener meme coins. Plus you can also select the option of Robinhood chain in just one click. So if you want to select it, you can just simply use the link that is given in the description in order to save 10% on your trading fees. Now, before hopping ahead, there is a quick disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor and this video is for entertainment and education purposes only. Trading involves risk and always do your own diligence before buying or selling or trading in any of the meme coins or crypto coins. Now, when you are on Exim, you just have to first of all select the option of discover. Over here, you are going to see this particular option as well. So by default, Solana will be selected here. So select the option of this drop down menu and select the option of Robinhood chain. Now, once this is selected, it is going to show you all of the meme coins that are basically trending and that are available on this chain. So among these, you can select the coin as per your own experience. You are going to see the coin's market cap, the liquidity, the volume, transaction, and the token information. So here, first of all, select the meme coin and its chart is going to look something like this. So over here, you can basically change its time. You can select it and then you can change its time. After selecting the or changing the time frame, in the right hand section, you are going to see the buy and the sell options. So over here, simply enter the amount that you want to basically spend in order to purchase this particular coin. So if you have some amount available, if you have deposited, simply select the option of buy. And as soon as you select the option of buy, you are going to see that you have successfully purchased the meme coin. Similarly, for the selling, you need to select the option of selling and it is going to show you all of the amount of coins that you have. So you need to select whether you want to sell 25%, 50%, 75% or 100%. Then after selecting the amount, simply select the option of sell and this way you will be able to sell the meme coin. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.